Our experts explain how to properly clean your silver coins. Cleaning silver coins is very different to cleaning the silver. Cleaning the silver is a very traditional activity in the wealthier parts of town, and I am sure we have all seen movies where the servant is sitting at the kitchen table cleaning the silver. But what about cleaning silver coins? How does one properly go about that? More coins are ruined and lose value by incorrect cleaning than by any other activity. It takes a professional silver dealer to clean silver coins, and even then they sometimes have a problem. Silver coins are not improved by cleaning. Our experts offer the following advice. The best advice we can give for most people on cleaning coins is, don't. We see far more coins ruined by cleaning than we see coins which have been improved by cleaning. Generally speaking, coins cannot be improved by cleaning them. It is certainly impossible to improve their condition by doing so. It's true that if you had to ask about cleaning your coins, how to, or whether to, then the best thing for you to do is nothing. Don't clean them. You will almost certainly not improve them, and you are much more likely to spoil them. Over 90% of the coins brought to us by non-collectors are junk. Even so, junk has a value, and the value will be greater if the coins have not been cleaned. So the moral of the story is, enjoy your silver coins just as they are, and that giving them a good clean is a definite no. Remember, take care of your money, and your money will take care of you. We stand ready to serve you. Call or email us today to start a conversation.